Guys, it is July 21st, 2025. This is I got a call for a toilet leaking on the floor. Guy thinks it's the wax.
Turn left on Rosewood Terrace.
Guy seems to think it's the wax. I'll pull the toilet out, be a funnel wax in there. The leaker. You said you did check it, right? It wasn't dripping.
Yeah, no, it wasn't dripping at all.
We'll pull it.
Yeah, it was dry. It needs the work, you know. I make tooling to set in eyelets and grommets and rivets.
Oh,
and
okay.
Like that.
Machinist.
Yeah. That's
You still do the same thing,
Yeah,
huh?
I do the same thing now that I did for the last 50 years.
Wow.
Because I worked at J.C. Rhodes until they closed. And
You miss the apartment building, though?
Not in the least.
That's a big...
I don't even think about it. I sold it cheap and I don't give a rat's ass.
Yeah, it's just more of a headache.
It was fine with me. It ain't gonna make me any richer.
Flipping headache.
That's exactly right.
Fucking headache.
Tenants are tough. You don't get good tenants now like you used to.
I mean, it wasn't in the best area either, I mean.
Oh, it wasn't in that area. I never had any problem with the area, truthfully. And Ronnie lived there, so that made a big difference. You know, in a place like that, you gotta have somebody there that,
Yeah, looks like this doesn't even have caps on it. I wonder why I put putty on there. Did you put putty on there?
Not me, I haven't touched it.
I might have.
That's never been touched. I thought you changed one of them for me.
I might have.
But I don't know if it's that one. You'll know when you take it out. If it's got the plastic thing, then you know you didn't do it.
Well, I don't use the funnel waxes.
Right. That's the one with the plastic thing, you know, right?
Yeah, because I'll tell you what's going to happen is when you flush it,
Yeah.
when you first put it in, it's fine because the wax is in the middle.
Yeah.
But then as you sit on it and move it back,
Yeah.
the toilet's not in the middle anymore, and when it dumps, it hits the funnel and splashes out.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, it ain't rocket science.
No.
And it's a problem. Usually, that's what I find, but we'll find out. I've been wrong before. I've been wrong before. I'd be willing to bet it's a funnel wax in there. Betcha. I could have this cap on backwards, that's why I had to put the... Yeah, the cap's got a little... It's funky, it's doing a funky chicken on us. I don't know. Maybe I did put this thing in there. Maybe I did put this thing in there, I don't know. Doing the old funky chicken now.
What's that? You gonna get it out of there?
Yeah, this one's got it too. I wonder why,
I don't know. I don't even know what to put it in.
That's a little trick I use.
Yeah.
If
there's no clips there.
I don't know, they're in there, I mean, I don't know.
A lot of times they don't work too good anyway.
We can go either way. I don't know why. Maybe they should have put a washer on the bottom and a washer on the top to keep it.
Yeah.
Either way, it don't matter.
Yeah. It's been like that since it's been put in, so if we do the same thing, no big deal.
Alright, let's see what the hell it looks like.
Yeah, see, I can't even pick that thing up anymore.
No, it's not a funnel wax.
Nope.
But it's a wimpy, it's one of them wimpy waxes that you get when you buy the thing. It's not a real good one, see it?
Yeah, it's not very heavy. Definitely not.
We'll put a jumbo in there.
Yeah.
And see how low it is?
Yep.
With the floor?
Yeah.
That should be higher.
Well, what do you got
I got what they call a jumbo, which is a little bigger.
Oh, that's good.
See, it's not that high.
Yep.
Well.
Yeah, well, when you have a floor put in, they don't raise the...
Wow, look at that. It's a flipping... Cut corners on you. My wife's got a sense of humor, doesn't she?
She has to. She got to put up with me.
Yeah, that ain't looking so good, is it? That wax.
Yeah. Now, that is usually about an inch thick.
Yeah, but I got a better one. I got what they call a jumbo.
Yeah.
This is one of those that comes with the...
Comes with the toilet?
Yeah, see, it's
okay.
Wimpy ass.
Yeah.
Wimpy ass setup. We'll try a jumbo in there and see what the hell happens. See?
Oh, yeah, there's got some meat to it. I've never seen a thin one like that.
That's the kind that come with the toilet.
Yeah.
I never use them. This is a flippin' jumbo. See it?
Oh, yeah.
That's better.
Yep.
See how big it is?
Oh, yeah.
That other one.
I got three bathrooms, so I'm not thinking shit. I was let go, but I wasn't. If you couldn't have got
That jumbo will work a lot better.
yeah, and that'll compress down all right. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Good.
I'll put my fat ass on there. It'll push down. Yeah, definitely was a wax issue.
Yeah.
Kind of weird, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I definitely felt it go down.
Oh,
So
yeah.
that's better. That other one was just not enough.
No. These are the one that came with the toilet.
Yep. I wouldn't have used that wax. So that was definitely not me that did that. We'll put that down first. And then that. And that'll be better. Yeah, certain things I just won't do. And that'd be one of them. Wow. There's a leaker. What a big difference when you got a the one that comes with the unit is never not the greatest. That's quick and easy.
Can those shut-offs be rebuilt, or you have to replace them?
Say that again?
Can those shut-offs be rebuilt, or you got to replace them?
I usually rebuild them if they have to be replaced, I will.
Yeah,
But
'cause I had one, and I got one in the other bathroom that
what's the problem?
hammering. Well, it was hammering like hell. 'Cause I don't. I like.
Well, when you first turn it on,
when it goes to fill.
When you what?
I got it wide open now. I used to like to keep it halfway.
well, that's like
a loose washer or something?
No, I mean, it's like a whistle effect. I mean, because
Yeah, right, yeah.
the water's trying to, it could be a loose washer in there.
Yeah, yeah. It's all right. I mean, it's working. So.
Does it shut off? Does it hold?
I haven't even tried to. I'm afraid to screw around with it.
There's a washer in there that's pressed on,
Yeah.
and they after a while they just deteriorate and wear out. And I could just put a new washer in there instead of replacing the whole thing. Might be easier.
I can have you take a look at it.
Whatever's easier.
I don't know if you want to do it now or whatever. But yeah, that's that bathroom is so noisy, filling up the pipes in the walls and everything, that I used to cut it down to like half pressure, so it wouldn't fill up so fast. Didn't make as much noise.
So that's it. It's not leaking. I don't see any leaks.
That should not have to.
Shouldn't leak after we put the jumbo in there.
Right,
It should
yeah.
be fine. That's why I like them.